In this video, we'll cover the process to update the firmware with the latest available components by selecting the local drive that is a CD, DVD, or USB as a repository location. Before you begin, ensure that the drive is connected to the server. Launch the Lifecycle Controller homepage, click Firmware Update, and then click Virtual Media. Click Connect Virtual Media. The Initializing Connection dialog box is displayed. Click Virtual Media again and then click Map Removable Disk. The connected drive is displayed in the Virtual Media Map Removable Disk dialog box. Click Map Device. Click Virtual Media. When you click Virtual Media, the connected removable drive is mapped to the removable disk. Click Launch Firmware Update. Select Local Drive as the repository location, and then click Next. On the Enter Access Details screen, the local drive that you selected is shown. Type the exe file name in the File Path or Update Package field, then click Next. The Verify selection window is displayed. It might take a few minutes to verify if the file is present on the drive. The firmware selected by the user is displayed in the Available System Updates section with current and available versions shown. Select the update from the component list and click Apply. The firmware update window is then displayed. The Lifecycle Controller updates the selected firmware on the device. This might take a few minutes to complete. After the firmware updates are complete, the Lifecycle Controller is launched automatically. You can verify that the update is successful by checking the version of the firmware in the Firmware Update screen, or by viewing the events in the Lifecycle log. Verify the firmware update operation was successful by checking the events in the Lifecycle log. Click View Lifecycle Log History. The View Lifecycle Log window is displayed. Note, this operation might take a few minutes to complete. In the View Log History page, you can verify if the firmware update operation was successful. You can also verify the version of the firmware by clicking Firmware Update and then clicking View Current Versions. This will bring up the View Current Versions window. Please note that this operation might take a few minutes. On the View Current Version screen, you can view the updated version. For more information about the Dell Lifecycle Controller, visit delltechcenter.com/LC.